Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download a file to Google Drive and then share a link. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Open up Google Drive. Tap right here on one of your folder, and here you can see the plus icon. Tap right here, tap on upload, and here you can see, let me upload one of my photo here. After uploading that photo, let me wait for that upload. Okay, so all I have to do is to share that photo. Simply tap on these three dots, and here you can see share option. Tap right here. Now here you can see not shared option. Tap right here, and you can see this icon. Tap on it. Here you can see this photo is restricted. Only people added can open it. Now paste your link wherever you want to, and then that person will be able to access your Google Drive. So this is how you can easily share your folders in Google Drive. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.